Hello guys, welcome to Design Sprint. Today we are gonna create this cute login page. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. We are gonna go ahead and start now. Index.html, style.css, java.js, creative. Now I'm gonna go ahead and write down HTML and close this for you guys to see. Open the live server so any changes I make will be reflected. Change the title. Now I'm gonna link the style sheet. Okay, style.css. Now I'm gonna create a div container, which is the main class, another div, and this is gonna be the icon. Now class form, create a form. Now inside the form have two inputs, email and password, and a button that would be login button. And at the bottom I would have my link to uh, this YouTube channel. So input class is button value. I'm gonna get the value of it. Now form ends. Give the break line over here. Okay, looks good. Now footer. I'm gonna use the class foot, style it over here. Done. It would be linking to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go to Unsplash, find okay, this looks good. Use this in the body. It looks better. Now I'm gonna do the main container, display flex, align item center, just about content center with height. Then line login form. It should look like this, display flex, style, color. Done. Looks better. Give a border radius. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the icon. So this, this image. I would add the image later, so I'm keeping it empty now. Same, done goes icon image. So details of the image inside. Uh, form. The form I'm trying to make it in center. Color. Okay. Size for shadow. Save it. Looks better. Now make the input placeholder. Font size. Done. Now the button. So whenever I hover over that button, it should go ahead and uh, change. So at first it would be look like this color. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create the button hover. Okay, it's better now for footer for the okay. So this div was outside, so hence it was causing issues. Let's do the Java for this. I'm gonna go ahead and download the images that I sent myself. These are the three image. Mainly these are GIF created by Animoji. Okay, move it to a folder. I'm gonna go ahead and create a icon variable and original image. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a variable over whenever anybody hovers over the email placeholder, the image should change to a different image, and whenever it's password it should change to a different. So for now I'm doing the email one. Style.background image. Okay, done. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the image over here as usual. It's showing up great, and this is gonna be the email image that I'm gonna use, and for password this is gonna be the one. So as you can see that it's not working right now. Let me check. Let me write down the code. Let's copy it. This is for on mouse over and on mouse out. It should be going back to the original one. Okay, this looks better. Let's do the password. Password input. Document.getElement by ID. It should be same, but just point to the password and change this to password input. Let's copy this and paste it. Okay, so still not working. Let's do the on-click function. Okay. Okay, it seems like I did not tag as an attach it to the index file. So I'm gonna create this and then attach it to the index.html, that is the script tag. And I think I have to change this. Yes, change it to original image. Okay, and give it an ID. So I see in div class icon, I have not given the ID. I have to give the ID as it is there. So it should be working fine now. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.